Hello everybody, we are glad to welcome you on the HardReset.Info YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to demonstrate that you can post on Pinterest on iPhone. So, well, I would assume that the procedure is pretty much the same on both smartphones, on all of the smartphones, regardless of what system they run, but I happen to have the iOS-based device, or the iPhone in particular, on my hands. So in order to create or upload or post a pin to Pinterest, just go for the create option over here, choose what you would like to post. Should it be an idea, pin or board? So I'll go with pin. Choose the image that you would like to upload. Click next. Create a title for it. You can optionally describe this image or link some website to it. You can also write the alternative text for this picture, so the Pinterest algorithms will be it will be easier for them to direct this pin to target audience. Then click next, choose the board that you would like to save it to, and that will be it, I assume. Alrighty, so thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.